Eye exercises to improve vision. Easy daily exercise and how can blue light glasses protect your vision? Eye sports to improve imaginative and prescient are sought by many folks who do now not want to put on glasses. Research have shown that greater people are having problems regarding their eyesight as the amount of time spent. Eye physical games to improve vision are sought via many individuals who do not like to wear glasses. Studies have shown that extra humans are having troubles regarding their eyesight as the amount of time spent in the front of TVs and computer systems has accelerated. To bolster your eye muscle mass and enhance your imaginative and prescient, there are a number of sports that have been proven to paintings. The primary of which entails blinking. It is in smooth and straightforward manner to maintain your eyes healthful. If you use a laptop or watch TV for many hours a day, then you definitely may not blink as regularly as you must. Blinking allows to reduce eye strain. Eye sporting events to enhance vision also can contain a method known as the figure of 8. This method includes imagining a huge parent of 8 on its facet around 10 toes in front of you. You want to trace or comply with the define of the figure together with your imaginative and prescient. After a minute, trade the course. You want to perform this hobby for approximately 10 minutes to assist improve the flexibility inherent for your eye muscle mass. Another useful eye exercise is some distance and near focusing. This is an extraordinary exercise that can be executed interior and out. You should area your hand approximately 10 inches in the front of your nose and then consciousness on this for approximately 20 seconds. You then need to exchange your gaze to an object further away, health fitness articles, about 10 to 20 foot. Hold doing this for 15 seconds at a time. It will simply help to enhance the energy of your eye muscle tissues and consequently enhance your imaginative and prescient. By using following an aggregate of these sporting events on a regular basis, you need to observe a dramatic improvement to your eyesight. Our eyes are just like all our muscular tissues in that they need everyday workout to hold them in the appropriate running order. If you begin to wear glasses or touch lenses, then your eyesight is in all likelihood to worsen as they will adapt to the brand new glasses or lenses, ensuing in the need for non-stop utilization. How can blue light glasses protect your vision? LEDs are pretty not unusual these days as they are used in a variety of devices and appliances, inclusive of smartphones and computers. Considering a lot of humans use mobile phones these days and most of them sit in the front in their computer systems for hours, we endorse that they use blue mild glasses. Allows discover how it is able to guard your eyes. What is blue mild? Blue light is on the list of lighting which have a higher energy wavelength. Virtual displays, CFL, LED lights also produce a whole lot of this sort of mild. The results of it. Your eye has a sensor that come across whether it is day or night. Normally, whilst those sensors are uncovered to blue light, they can ship a signal on your mind that it's day. Consequently, this wavelength is related to the circadian rhythm. This is the cycle which can make your body experience alert or worn out. In the course of the daylight, blue wavelengths are quite useful as they permit you to stay alert and give higher response. According to the reviews from Harvard Health, this mild can suppress the secretion of melatonin out of your frame. This hormone is liable for regulating the sleep-wake cycles. Therefore, if you are uncovered to this wavelength even at night, you can feel as alert as you're at some stage in the day. In different words, blue mild might also disrupt the circadian rhythm of your frame. Other than this, it may motive virtual eye strain as well. Because it has quick wavelengths, it could scatter easily. Plus, those wavelengths make it hard if you want a consciousness, which causes eye strain. With the passage of time, blue mild can also produce lengthy time period physical results, which include retina damage. A few wavelengths are related to age-associated macular degeneration or AMD. Pointers to reduce the effects of the mild. 1. It's higher, which you get sufficient exposure to sunlight during the daylight. Even though it is counterintuitive, the everyday exposure to this mild allows your brain with the circadian rhythm. What you need to do is defend yourself from the harmful mild and UV. 2. You may alter the screen color of your gadgets, along with cell phone and computer LEDs. If your display screen doesn't assist you to make those modifications, you may use a unique app like Nighttime Shift and Twilight. 3. If feasible, do not use these devices when you'll hit the bed. Although it may now not be easy, so one can hold your eyes off the display screen of your tablet or phone, you can at least position your cell phone aside at the least half an hour before bedtime. 4. You could attempt blue light glasses, as they are good for eye strain. Plus, they are able to lessen glare, raise imaginative and prescient clarity and decrease your likelihood of macular degeneration. Make certain that the glasses do not block the best blue turquoise mild. In short, this turned into the advent to blue light glasses and the way they could observe with a view to shield your eyes. In case you want to guard your eyes from light, we recommend that you put money into a terrific pair of glasses. Signs and symptoms of dry macular degeneration. Dry macular degeneration is an age-related sickness that reasons the deterioration of the tissue placed to your significant line of vision. It affects your retina, that is the layer of tissue mendacity inside the again of your eyeball. Even though it does not motive overall blindness, dry macular degeneration does cause excessive blurriness in important imaginative and prescient blind spots that's all essential to do the regular tasks of life consisting of driving, analyzing or even recognizing faces. Most people of those tormented by dry macular degeneration are over the age of 50, despite the fact that there are cases of minor dry macular degeneration as nicely. Dry macular degeneration is an age-associated sickness that reasons the deterioration of the tissue positioned for your significant line of vision. It impacts your retina, that is the layer of tissue mendacity within the lower back of your eyeball. Even though it does now not cause general blindness, dry macular degeneration does purpose extreme blurriness and primary imaginative and prescient blind spots that's all necessary to do the regular duties of existence, which includes writing, analyzing or maybe spotting faces. Most people of these stricken by dry macular degeneration are over the age of 50, even though there are cases of sweet 16 dry macular degeneration as nicely. The symptoms of dry macular degeneration start subtly. It's far gradual and painless whilst forming. If you are over the age of 50 and locate that you need a much brighter light when analyzing, or when you have an increasing number of hard time adapting your eyes to a low-grade light, you could want to seek advice from your doctor to peer when you have the beginnings of dry macular degeneration. This ailment does no longer constantly affect both eyes. Oftentimes, simplest one eye might be affected at the same time as the opposite by no means gets a single symptom of degeneration, making it possible to no longer have your lifestyle altered much. Many people who've been diagnosed with dry macular degeneration have suggested symptoms of hallucinations whilst their vision turns into more obscured. Bizarre visions together with geometric shapes, faces and animals are those bizarre hallucinations reported most customarily. In case you are having those symptoms, do now not be afraid or embarrassed to speak about these hallucinations along with your doctor. You'll be surprised to understand that those hallucinations have a diagnosed call, Charles Bonnet syndrome. Particular reasons for dry macular degeneration aren't recognized. Researchers are nonetheless trying to find the foundation reason of this vision disease. Inside the early ranges of dry macular degeneration there may be typically no vision damage. Small to medium-sized drusen, yellow fats-like deposits, may be detected with the aid of your ophthalmologist, however at this degree, it is simplest monitored. For the duration of the second 1 degree of degeneration, many more drusen collect, causing blurred imaginative and prescient. You could begin wanting to have more mild while studying or operating. You have reached the advanced level of dry macular degeneration while large drusen have accrued and purpose extreme blurriness. You are liable to dry macular degeneration in case you over the age of 50 to 60, smoke cigarettes, a female, Caucasian, overweight, light-colored eyes. Blue eyes are the most usually affected, UV mild. You can't forestall dry macular degeneration from progressing or from reversing. Fortuitously, the signs and symptoms arise at a slow pace, giving you many years of normal to slightly blurred imaginative and prescient. When you have handiest one affected find article, you have got a far higher danger to steer a wholesome energetic life. Stem cell therapy can be used to correct or cure any eye problem. Please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.